Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are going to uh, demonstrate you a very exciting feature of Microsoft Excel-VBA. And it's a powerful tool which can help you reach to any database and run any query, uh, especially parameterized query we have chosen for today's topic. That you have Microsoft Access and you want to execute a query and with a parameter, right? How to uh, code that query and how to do that. For example, you want a particular date which you have performed the activity, and that is marked yes, right? And you want to roll back, right? Yeah, you know that uh, we we are doing it on daily basis, and and it allows you to clear your backlog, right? So you have a great overdue, and that has to be done in parallel with the daily activity. Means you don't have to stop the daily activity at all. You have to continue. Make sure you do not interrupt the daily routine. So that should without making any break in that, uh, side by side, you start clearing your backlog, right? So you have so much. Uh, Actually, the activities per day until now they were 8,006, out of which the performed one are only 65,000. So 42,000. This is the backlog which has to be cleared, right? And on daily basis, it has to be done. So when you have last updated for the 10th of August, and today is 11th of August, so it won't allow you to do anything until this 11th August uh, becomes yesterday, right? So today is 11th August. It does not allow you to do it until the 11th August becomes yesterday. Okay. So, so here is the need then that we roll back uh, to a certain date, so that and in the same manner, it is rolled back in the same manner in which it was entered. Means last in, first rollback means, and then before the last one, and so on. Like for example, it has until now it has performed till the 10th of August. If we say okay, 7th of August, we say 7th of August until 7th of August, we want to roll back. Okay, what would happen that it will convert this automatically to the date form? That's fine. That's it should do, right? And now if we click OK, go. So what it would do, it would sense that you have a rollback. Uh, okay, this is a rollback mode and ready to roll back until the 7th of August, right? You say OK. So it is rolling back until the 7th of August. So the 10th of August, which was entered today, so that was performed is no. No means not performed, right? Not performed on the 9th. Then it did the not performed for 8. And in the end, until the 7th of August, it has said not performed, right? So this is before the long rollback. This was the totals, right? The overdue and this and that, right? And after the rollback, of course, this is going to increase, yeah, because how many days? How many days? So it 1, 2, 3, 4 days, yeah, 4, 6, 6 for the 24. So 24 is the um, difference means which is after the rollback, this has become because there is no change in the due, but in the yes, in the pre-8 ones, since it is a rollback means it means you have written off the performance which you did, right? So it has now uh, in after the rollback, it has become 65,000 376 was the trade, and the overdue was increased to that much. Okay, 20. So this is 42,630 has become the overdue now, right? So 4 days and well, increase. Now the overdue is increased, and since the overdue is increased, so the fidya is also the liability is also increased, right? So when we remove this and we say okay, now we perform it again. Previously, it was not allowing us because now this time it will sense that uh, the next available date for which you can do the performance of the backlog, that is 7th of August, right? Because you have rolled back. So you say yes. So this time it has taken it, and now we so why the chart is not showing? Because we have increased, we have used a switch here. If you say yes, then the chart will show. Otherwise, the chart will not show, right? So if you say go, so this is it, you say yes, and you will see the chart will show, right? So it's because chart is something which you not always want. So here is a control for you that you want to have it displayed or not, right? If you do not want at the moment, then just say no in here and so and you keep on this adding, and until it reaches to the yesterday. Yeah. So the yesterday now today is 11. If you attempt after the 10th of August, so it will give you an error because this entry is not allowed, right? Because the policy is that you are supposed to do 11th of August, not before, when 11th of August becomes yesterday. So it is today, that's why it is not allowing you. So this is a sequential way of clearance of the backlog, and it will keep on updating you and showing you the chart and updating the database. And we will show you in our next video, inshallah, that what are the code logic used in here, in which the parameterized uh, uh, the query, uh, parameterized query of access in the access was performed, and you can see that a command was executed with a parameter. This is the parameter in which we entered the date, right? And this is how it goes, right? Okay, so this is how it is done, and I look forward to your joining in our upcoming video, in which we will inform you. We will show you how all these code was written, what is how to write all these, how to build the logic and write the syntax of this command. Very easy, very interesting, and I hope you will enjoy that. Thank you very much for watching.